Sir, is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good morning, all of you. I, Snehal Balke, on behalf of VBKPIT Baramati, welcome you all for today's program. I welcome honorable authorities, faculty members, and amicable student friends. Training and placement cell has an important role to play in students' future. It plays a crucial role in locating job opportunities for UG and PG graduates, passing out from the college by keeping in touch with reputed firms and industrial establishments. We have been successful in maintaining our high placement statistics over the years. The placement cell organizes career guidance program for all the students, such as training, workshops, and many more. So I invite our today's guest, Mr. Suraj Kumar sir,
Yes, thank you.
who is from Mechanical Engineering Department, who is working as an assistant professor and training and placement coordinator. His area of specialization is machine design. He has 6 years of teaching experience and in research about 1.5 years. He has published number of papers, 2 at national level journals, 2 at national level conference, and also 3 papers in international level journal and 1 paper in international level conference. He has attended 25 FDPs. He has also received 1 gold, 3 silver, and 1 elite recognition in NPTEL exam. Now, I request Mr. Suraj Kumar sir to enlighten us with your words. Over to you, sir.
Yes, thanks a lot, madam, for briefing my profile. Yes, dear students, very good morning. Yes, am I audible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
yes, thank you.
Sir.
Yes. So welcome to this VPKBIT. Now you are going to be VPKBITN. Yes, now you have taken a right decision to take admission here. And we will say you are in a right path now. Okay. So it's so I congratulate to all of you and welcome to the VPKBIT. Yes, now madam have introduced me. But once again, myself Suraj Kumar, and right now I am handling the training and placement department as a TPO. I am also from the mechanical engineering background. I worked as an assistant professor here. Since last 5 years, I'm working here. And right now I am handling the training and placement department as a TPO. So the most important part of this placement is now you are in a professional college. Now, once when you are going to get degree after 4 years, you should have a placement. You should have a job in your hand, right? So it is the very much important. So this training and placement cell plays a major role in your professional career. As you want at the end, your family members as well as you are also waiting. As once you are going to get pass out, you should have at least one job in your hand. So this training and placement plays a major role in your academics as this cell is going to give you the opportunities of various companies to get placed in various industries or in various companies. So just I will talk about what things you require to get placed. Right now you are in a first year. So in a first year, you have a common subjects as you are going to join your specific branch in a second year. But in a first year, you are having the mixed subject, like you are going to get overall knowledge of all the branches like civil, mechanical, computer, IT, AIDS, likewise. Okay, but nowadays, if you see the scenario now, right now I will talk about the right now the current market situation and what you how you are going to get ready for that placement. As the topic, the title of today's session is the placement readiness. What properties or what qualities you should have to get placed at the end of when you are at the final year, right? Because the companies are there when you are in a last year. Okay, the companies will come to college or they will recruit the freshers or like new students at the beginning of the last year, means at the 7th semester. So means what? You have a right now you have a 3 years in your hand. Are you getting my point? Okay, and if you are having any doubt in between, you can just interrupt me. don't hesitate to interrupt me in between, okay? Because sometimes what happens, you have any question in your mind but you will not ask me, then you may get forget आणि तो तसाच राहून जाईल. I will communicate you through in English and Marathi. Is it fine? Okay, so
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
maybe it may be more interactive, I will say. Okay, if you have any doubt in between, because this training and placement is most important part, okay? Because your aim should be that you should be get placed at the end of your degree, okay? Because the happiness or the what the we can say the म्हणजे जो काही तुम्हाला आनंद मिळणार आहे when you are having the insane 7th semester and if you have an offer letter of 3 to 4 lakh, the happiness that you will get, that you can't say in words, okay? That your parents, your relatives, you will get, means you will get having a offer letter in hand in 7th semester is something different, I can say. So that's why this is the most important. You have to think since first year, since today, how I can placed in a company, what should I need to prepare for that, so that I will get placed in a company. So don't take it seriously, okay? Because what happens, that in a first year, second year, third, at least up to the third year also, the student don't know what to prepare, how to prepare to get placed, okay? So I will say this is the right time. You should start preparing for it. I will tell you what to prepare, okay? What qualities you require, that I will tell you. Don't or you can ask me anytime also. I will share you my mail IDs, my contact. You can come to here TNP sale also. Now soon the offline college will get start, okay? We are also waiting for you, okay? Once again you will come here and the offline mode will start, and you can come, you can visit here TNP weekly, okay? In 15 days, okay? What are the companies are here coming to our college and they are getting placed, so you can come here, you can visit to TNP sale, okay? Or you can contact me anytime also. So what need to prepare, or what we can prepare so that we can get placed. So I will tell you that this is the right time and what you need to prepare. Right now, what you can do, the most important part to get placed in any company is to prepare for the aptitudes, okay? So are you know anything about aptitude? Yes, you can chat or you can unmute and you can tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So right now, you also know, right now the software companies are having huge opening. Okay, now they are recruiting a lot of students, lot of freshers right now. So in this pandemic situation, there are a lot of openings. As you know, there are all the things are happening virtually. Now the education field, banking field, now there are a lot of things are now happening online through this, because of this COVID situation. That's why the software companies are having lots of opening. Yes, right now what happens now that computer IT AIDS students, they are already in a computer domain, but what happens right now, the civil, mechanical, electrical, these are the core branches. But right now what happens, the software companies, they are also recruiting right now the core branches students also. So means what, the mechanical, electrical, the civil students, they are right now they are getting placed in software companies. Right now the 2022 batch right now means the students who are going to get passed in a next year, okay, in 2022 I am saying, right now they are get placed in software companies, right? If you are having from mechanical civil background, you can cross check in a department how many students are placed of this last year batch. Now they are placed in a TCS company, Wipro company, okay? These two companies was placement recruitment was happened already last 2 months back. And our from mechanical department 16 students was placed, 4 to 5 students from the civil, 10 to 12 students from the electrical, those who are going to get passed in 2022. But right now they are having their offer letter in their hand of 3 to 4 lakh. So this, now the current scenario is what, now the software companies are in a core domain also. Right now the TCS, Wipro, and there are a lot of companies, I will tell you the names. Then right now, but TCS and Wipro, Accenture is there, Cognizant is there. They are having the projects from the core domain also, from civil, mechanical, and you also know right now the automobile sector is now going to change. Now IC engine may be going to be outdated, right? Because e-vehicles are coming. So what happening now? Automation and the electronics, the things which are coming very near. So every mechanical, civil, or the core branch student, they also need to learn the new technologies like AIDS, Then there is in core mechanical engineering also industry 4.0. So I don't know where you have heard this word or not, but you may get also going to know in due course of a time. Once you will get once you are going to get learn these things. So industry 4.0 is there. The now lot of mechanical companies are also now automation based. Okay, so now there is a big role of electronics, computer, and IT in mechanical civil domain also. So that's why the core brand student should learn these things. Okay, so you need to learn the artificial intelligence, you need to learn database like IoT, Internet of Things. So there are new technologies which are now coming, so right now coming in market. So that being mechanical also we need to learn. So for that, once again I will come to the point that aptitude. So aptitude is the most important part, because every company first they take their examination. Okay, they filter out the student through this aptitude test. There is no any software company which will not take that. So each and every company, they are taking first the aptitude test. They filter out the students based on aptitude test. Okay, so that aptitude, that under aptitude there are various subsections, the verbal, reasoning, then there are a lot of subsections. Okay, so now you can do one thing. Now you are just from yesterday, just induction program is started, and now your academics will start. You can do one thing. You at least start practicing daily 5 aptitude questions. Are you getting it? Daily 5. Okay, sometimes if you are having more time, then you can also solve 10, 15, 20. Okay, so at least 5, so that what will happen, 365 days multiplied by 5 in first year. Okay, I will say 400 by 5, so 2000 in 1 year. 2000 questions you can solve. Likewise, you in your hand you are having first year, second year, third year. In 3 years, in second year you can increase the number of solving the aptitude questions. You can now daily you can solve 10 questions. You have to put that time, half an hour maximum. Okay, half an hour you have to put for that aptitude test, right? Because the main hurdle to get in any recruitment drive is to pass that aptitude test, because each and every company, they are conducting it. So this is the main door to get in that recruitment drive, so that you should be prepared with the aptitude. Okay, and for that I will share you one book. Okay, here is, I think, is it visible, this
Yes,
quantitative
sir.
aptitude book? Yes, for competitive examination. And here, which is of S Chandra and Dr. R.S. Agarwal book. It is, the difficulty level is quite high for this book, but if you solve it, then simple problem you can definitely solve easily. Okay, so I will suggest you to go for the difficult one. So this book you can purchase hardly 400 to 500 book. So I will tell you, you just purchase it. You invest your 400 to 500 rupees on that book, and you just start preparing for it since you are in a first year. Okay, don't wait for the second year, third year. Otherwise, what will happen? The company will come from tomorrow. There is one company's recruitment drive, and there are a lot of students. They start preparing today. Okay, and they will not get a chance to get recruited in that company. So to avoid such things, you need to start prepare for it, I will say, just from today. Okay, okay, this book is also available. Dr. R.S. Agarwal book is there for quantitative aptitude. Okay, lot of almost all part is covered in that book. So you can purchase it, and meanwhile I will tell you more, also 2 to 3 more books I will also suggest you. But rather than this, on YouTube also there are a lot of tutorials are also available based on aptitude test. Okay, there are aptitude company wise aptitude they have on YouTube available. Okay, once I will get time, I will also share you that links also. Okay, uh, uh, just today only I will not give you all that details. Once you will get in, you will get familiar about the academics and all things. In that case, once again, offline mode also I will take one another session, and in that case I will tell you that I will give you the links and various study material also. So this is the time. I think so everyone needs a job. Yes, सगळ्यांना job हवा आहे ना? Is there anyone? Okay, maybe some having they want to go for the higher study, or they want to run their business. Okay, there some students are also be there, but maybe 70 to 80%, I hope they should want the job. Yes, सगळ्यांना
Yes,
job हवा आहे ना?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So
Yes, sir.
yes, okay, thank you. Okay, you can just put it on the chat box also. Okay, yes, right. ओके. सो जर तुम्हालाही जर आधीमध्ये काय विचारायचं असेल, यू कॅन इंटरप्ट मी. डोंट हेजिटेट टू इंटरप्ट मी. यू कॅन आस्क मी इन बिटवीन, बिकॉज समटाइम्स व्हॉट हॅपन, मनामध्ये एक क्वेश्चन असेल तर तो 10, 15, 50 जणांचाही असू शकतो. बट देर इज वन शुड बी देअर आईस ब्रेकर. ओके. कोणीतरी एखाद्याचं विचारणं गरजेचं आहे. सो दॅट्स वाय यू कॅन आस्क मी ॲट एनी टाइम. ओके. 1 minute. Yes. So you can just purchase this book. And yes, 1 minute. Yes. Sorry. Yes. Okay. So I will say you what is the role of our TNP department in students' life. जर मी मला वाटतं बऱ्यापैकी हे स्लाइड न सांगायच्या आधीच मी बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी तुम्हाला क्लिअर केल्या. सो फॉर द ओव्हरऑल डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ स्टुडंट्स दॅट TNP सेल इज प्लेज मेजर रोल्स. मी आता तेच बऱ्यापैकी तुम्हाला सांगितलेलं आहे. अजून एक आता हे झालं प्लेसमेंट रिलेटेड. सो ऍप्टिट्यूड टेस्ट हा एक मेन इम्पॉर्टंट पॉइंट आहे. सो सगळ्यांनी ऍप्टिट्यूडची डेली मी ज्याप्रमाणे सांगितलं त्याप्रमाणे यू कॅन सॉल्व डेली 5 क्वेश्चन्स. ओके. 5 ऍप्टिट्यूड 5च करा दिवसात फक्त. ओके. इट विल टेक इनिशियलला थोडासा वेळ लागेल, बट वन्स यू विल गेट आयडिया अबाउट दिस ऍप्टिट्यूड. ओके. आणि बऱ्यापैकी आम्ही ट्रेनिंग डिपार्टमेंटच्या अंडर सुद्धा TNPच्या अंडर वी आर ऑल्सो कंडक्टिंग these ट्रेनिंग सेशन्स टू यू. Don't get any we are conducting it not in a first year, we are conducting it in second year and third year. We are going to provide you the training. Okay. Don't take tension of it. We are going to provide you the training of aptitude. Okay. Not only aptitude, we are also providing you the software based training. Okay. Now the most another important thing is what the software companies, they required at least one skill in a one programming language. Okay. You should have at least skill in one programming language. Right now, the computer IT AIDS student, they are now going to start their programming from the second year. Now, I think in first year, their programming subject is also there. So I don't know that much detail, but I think so there is a programming subject. So
Yes, sir,
all
there is.
should, huh?
Sir, there is.
Yes. So there is one programming subject, and maybe they are going to use the Python platform for it, I think. So it's very important to all of you to learn that Python. Okay. The Python is actually, okay, it is a tool we use to do that programming. So I appeal to all of you, you should learn that Python, right? Because there is a 1 second round in a once you will get aptitude clear, there is a second round is of a programming. You have to write a one program. Okay. They will. Yes. Anyone having any doubt? Yes. What about ENTC student? Yes, ENTC students. Yes, they are also there. You are going to learn the programming. Okay. Computer IT ENTC. Okay. You are having the programming. You are also having the means all branch students are having having a chance to get placed in a software company. Okay. ENTC is also there. Okay. So all branch students, I will say. Okay. So I forgot, I think, to take name of ENTC. So all branch students are having the opportunity to get placed in a software company. So the majorly the ENTC students also, they need to learn this Python programming and all that thing. Maybe they are having PL/SPL and the other things related to electronics, but they should learn the programming. I don't know whether they are having programming in their curriculum in second year, third year, but maybe they are having it. So all should take mastery in at least one tool. Okay, there is a C++, Python is there. Okay, so all should learn C. Okay, then after that C++ or maybe only C, and then you can go for the Python. Now, and right now in this semester, if you are going to learn the Python, so yes. There any background? Yes. Yes. So all should take that seriously. Okay. In a first year also, the majorly the core branch students. Okay. Because mechanical, civil, electrical, and ENTC students. Okay. They should take this seriously. This Python and the programming language. Okay. That you are going to learn in this first year. Okay. Yes. Jagtap, what you want to say? Sir, it is compulsory for first year. Means what? Okay, can we eligible for placement in third year? Actually, the company's recruitment starting at the first semester of last year in seventh semester. Okay, no any company is going to recruit you in a third year because they can wait for 6 months. Okay, because if you placement comes in a third year, then they need to wait. You will join in 1.5 year. So that's why they are majorly recruiting the students in a seventh or eighth semester, so that after 4 to 5 months they will immediately join their company. Okay, so placement is not for the third year, it is going to start from the first semester of last year, that is on the seventh semester. Okay, so yes, so we are also providing you the training, okay, but you just start preparing right now. म्हणजे थोडक्यात तुम्ही आतापासूनच थोडे ऍप्टिट्यूड बघा काय आहे ते. आर एस अगरवालचं बुक सगळ्यांनी परचेस करा. यू जस्ट स्टार्ट प्रिपेरिंग फॉर इट. ऑलरेडी इन मे बी इन स्कूल or in a 11th 12th standard already you have gone through it, but the difficulty level quite maybe increases. Okay, the earlier difficulty level may be in a scale of a 10 3 to 4, but right now maybe 5 to 6 7. Okay, so likewise you can just start preparing in second year third year. We are going to provide you the training, okay, about aptitude, about Python or any programming language. Okay, then next, yes. Now, the conducting skill assessment test for student. We are also conducting the skill assessment test. Our training and department through, we are also going to conduct various tests. Right now, in a first year, we are actually, you are full-fledgedly busy with the academics. So that's why in the first year, we are not going to give you that much trainings or any this skill assessment. But this time we will try to give you these skill assessment tests so that you will get at least idea how the pattern of the exam of that any recruitment company or any drive. Okay, and we are also motivating the students to give their best in a campus recruitment drives. Okay, that is one another part. And we are also providing the possible support to make our students to that much competent so that they can face any challenge in their life. Actually, in their life means in 4 years you are going to learn. There are a lot of faculties you are going to interact, so we are making a student that much competent so that you will be more successful, not in your career but in your life also. Okay, so that care also we all faculties that take cares. Okay, we are also arranging the career counseling or career awareness session. Like now this session is like of career awareness, you can say. And the third party or the people who are very renowned in that sector, we are also arranging such sessions, and in due course of a time we are also going to arrange it. Okay, only the problem is with this offline mode. Once you will come here offline mode also we will arrange it. Since last 3 years we are also arranging it. Okay, through online mode also we have arranged it. Okay, but we will also arrange for you also. And now the last point is to conducting the mock interviews, and we are also providing the study material, okay, before the campus recruitment drive. Earlier what happens, the second year third year student was not that much aware about the placement recruitment drives, but this time we have started to groom the students since first year or the since second year. We are giving them training what you want to prepare or for the placement drive, so that in second year third year you will have 2 to 3 years in your hand, so that you can in that 2 years you can prepare well, and confidently you can face the any company's interview or the aptitude test in the last year. So that's why we are focusing right now from the first year. Okay, first year second year third year, because our experience is that the in third year students also don't know what to prepare for the placement drives. Okay, so that's why we are now grooming the students since from the second year first year. Okay, so that they will get more confident and they will get whole idea means, and they will get prepared for the upcoming placement drives. Okay, and before the placement drives from our TNP department we are conducting the mock interviews of the student, so they will get the idea where we are lagging. Okay, and accordingly they can prepare for their final interviews of the companies. Okay, because as per the companies there are different criteria. Some companies are having technical round, some companies are having HR round, or some companies are having mix of it. Okay, so likewise according to the companies we are also conducting such a sessions. Okay, Can we purchase it? Okay, students are asking. Yes, in internship where to develop aptitude. Yes, internship is also most important. Where we will get that aptitude book, you can just purchase it through Amazon or Flipkart also. That book is available on Amazon or India Mart also. Okay, you can online order it. Okay. Yes, internship. Now, as per the AICTE policy, that every student should do at least one internship in that 1 year. Okay, it's a mandatory. Now I think that triple IC section that Hansate sir is having session on it. So they will he will clear you about that internship things. Okay, every student should do that internship at least one in a year. Okay, another best book for aptitude test, so we can purchase it. At least right now you can purchase it. I will give you the list of it. Okay, or on YouTube also, or on a web there are a lot of tutorials are also available. I will also share you the link of it. When we need to learn programming language since first year, I will say you are having now in a first year programming subject. Okay, so you should focus, you should be serious from first year on it. Okay, because sometimes what happens, the core branch students are not that much serious about this programming language, but all students, I will say all branch students, okay, already computer they are going to learn throughout 4 years the programming, but the core branches they neglect it. Okay, but I will appeal all of you, I will and take it seriously. Okay, take it seriously from the first year. ओके, जेव्हा तुम्ही लास्ट इयरला पोहोचाल तेव्हा तुम्हाला फर्स्ट इयरची व्हॅल्यू कळेल की आपण त्यावेळी सिरियसली घेतलं नाही, पण आता तेच आहे. सो मी तुम्हाला आता सगळ्यांनाच आता सांगतोय, यू ऑल शुड गेट इट सिरियस फॉर द प्रोग्रामिंग. Okay, you should learn that Python, whatever may be the tool they are going to use, maybe Python, you should learn it. Okay, there are free courses also available. There is a Great Learning, or and I think Spark Foundation. Then we are having Coursera EDX. Right now, Coursera EDX we don't have, but I think you have received mail from the IBM Skill Bill. Maybe you have received on your personal mail ID. So all should, yes. Yes, so IBM Skill Build program, you may have received mail from them. Okay, so all should register for it, and there are a lot of courses, almost 10,000 plus courses are available over there. So you start enroll for it, and you can do that courses. Okay. Yes. Okay, if this book is available on Telegram, you can download it and you can. Okay, I can't understand Marathi. Okay, just that's why I'm not talking that much Marathi. Not available book online, Google and Chrome. Okay, now you can check it for the Flipkart and Amazon. Can we do that courses in FE? Repeat names of courses. Aptitude. I'm saying aptitude. Okay, courses is aptitude, and you can just start learning Python also. Online also Python is available. Okay, you just start preparing for the Python. You just learn that tool. Okay. Yes. Now I will go to the next slide. The achievement of our TNP department. Okay, so just I feel that to show you what achievement till last 3 to 4 years. So right now, if you see here, the total 1078 students right now get job in the last 4 years through our on and off campus drive. The opportunities we are giving the students. Okay, and through that opportunity, almost 1000 plus now the number is of 1078 students are now get placed. Okay, through our on and off campus drives. Okay, and every year almost 45 companies are providing the placement opportunities to our students. Right now the maybe that number increases 50 60 plus maybe. So all the software companies, yes, now in core branch also there are core companies are also. It is not like that only software, the core companies are also there for the civil, mechanical, electrical. So but there is a, I will say that there is a lot of chances to get placed in the software, because they are having right now the more vacancies. They are now recruiting a lot of freshers, so it's very good opportunity to get first placed in a software companies. Okay, so you should prepare, you start preparing right now. Okay, for that aptitude programming language, and definitely and interview, that interview sessions, mock interviews, that responsibility to in our hands. So that we will conduct your mock interviews, we will arrange the sessions. And one another important point is the resume building. Now everyone should have a good resume. Okay, you can also we will also arrange session for it, but not right now in a second year or third year, but you also must know the resume is also most important part. Okay, so that resume building, how to build that our personal resume, that is also most important part that we will conduct the session. But you can also learn that thing. Okay, what is the resume, what is curriculum vitae, how to build that our self resume. Okay, that we will also take one session for it. Now in our college, the highest salary package offered to our student is a 10 lakh right now in a Byju's companies. Now currently now from the civil department, the 4 students are get placed in a Byju's and are having 10 lakh package. Okay, and average salary package is of 3.6 lakh. Okay, so that minimum or we can say the average package that student will get, because the TCS is having 3.36, Wipro is having 3.5. Okay, the Cognizant is having 4 lakh. Okay, now right now the Infosys is having 6 lakh. Okay, earlier the Infosys was having 3.5, but now this time they have increased their package. Now the initial starting is of 6 lakh. Okay, and now once you will reach to the B, maybe that may get increased. Okay, so there is a good chance to get placed. Okay, and you have choose the correct college. Okay, you will get a lot of opportunities. Okay, so be ready for it, be ready to grab such opportunity and be prepared for it right now. Okay, so take it seriously. Okay, along with the academics. Okay, you have to keep your academics also good. Now the one another important part of the eligibility. So the basic eligibility is of you should have 60% in the 10th. Okay, 60 the minimum criteria I am saying. Some companies are having higher criteria also, but the minimum criteria or the standard criteria is of you should have a 60% in a 10th, the 60% in a 12th, and throughout B you should have a first class, that is 60%. Okay, so you have to take it seriously, this academics. You have to maintain your first class, that is 60% throughout the 4 years. Okay, and there should not be any education gap. This is the most important, is what you there should not be any education gap. Means what? After 10 you should have completed your 12th in a 2 years. Okay, and after 12 you should have complete your this all 4 years without any gap. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
so
sir.
yes, so please keep in a mind. Okay, don't get dropped in a all 4 years in this academics, in this B. Otherwise no company is going to entertain you. Okay, one gap they can consider, but in between 12th and your first year, I mean, some students they take a gap after 12 because some students they don't have that much marks in a CET, so they take a one gap. That is acceptable. Okay, that gap is acceptable. But in between academics means in a first year, if you get fail and if you get drop, then it is not acceptable. Okay, your degree should be completed in a 4 years only. Okay, and the you have to maintain the first class. I will say not a first class, I will say you maintain the distinction above 65%. Are you getting it? So that because there are some companies are having more than 65% criteria, so that you will also get eligible for it. So don't break to up to first class. You go beyond the distinction, I will say. Okay, so these three things you should keep in mind. And I know you are having 10th and 12th 60%, so already 50% criteria now you are fulfilled. Yes, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, already here, I hope you are having 60% in 10th and 12th. So already 50% now you are eligible for the placement. Now only 50% is what? That means up to 6th semester. म्हणजे जेव्हा तुमचे 7th semester ला company येते, right? So up to third year, second sem means all 6 semester, the average of marks you should have a first class. Okay. Yes. Okay. So this is of what the criteria, main criteria you should remember. Okay. Yes, now already in a lockdown period, we have done the Coursera and edX, that online platform was there, and almost 5,000 plus online courses our students have done. Now for you, now we have given you the IBM Skill Build and EduNet Foundation program. I think so you have received the mail about it. So all should get enrolled for this IBM Skill Build EduNet Foundation. Okay, and here the 10,000 plus courses are available. Okay, so all you should start enroll for it, and you should start learning for it and upgrade your skills. Okay, now the Coursera and edX in the lockdown period it was free. Right now it is not free, so this platform is right now not available to you. But this year we have started, we have done the MOU with IBM Skill Build and EduNet Foundation. So you should start learning on that platform. You should open your account. Already they have sent you the invitation mail. Just you have to only open that and you have to start learning it. You have to start completing the courses on their IBM Skill Build platform. Okay. And now the recruiters like the TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Capgemini, Accenture, you may know these names of the companies also. Okay, Cognizant, the Mindtree is there, Persistent is there, KSB is for the mechanical, ACC Cement is for the civil department, IBM, Atos Intel, Reliance Jio, KPIT is for the all brands. So almost these TCS, Infosys, Wipro, these almost all these companies are for the all branch. Okay, and they are providing the placement opportunities to our students in our college. Okay, maybe through on campus or off campus. Okay, so now the last point, the last slide I will say, because the another session will be there. So what are the technical and non-technical factors which playing the major role in the success? So this is the student. The first factor is the communication skill. So yes, I know the most of the students from the rural background. The college is also in a rural background, but you should think of that communication skill. Okay, because you are going to face the interviews of various companies. Okay, and they are going to check your communication skill. So if you are having lagging in a communication skill, you should start preparing right now on the communication skill. Okay, you have to improve your communication skill. Yes, we are going to arrange the training for it. Okay, the training will give you the idea. Okay, but the communication skill is of an interpersonal skill. Everyone has a good communication skill. So if you are lagging in it, then you have to prepare for it. You should be ready for it. Okay, you should start preparing. You should start working on a communication skill. Okay, everyone, please try to communicate with each other in English. Okay, don't hesitate to communicate with each other. Okay, first time it will be something different, but once you will get starting communicating with each other in English, it will be more beneficial to you. Okay, then technical skills. Okay, yes, you are going to learn the technical things in 4 years, so you should have a good technical skills. Your academic performance is also most important. Yes, I have already told you, you have to maintain your at least first class. Okay, but I will suggest you to go for the distinction, not the first class. Okay, so that you will get, म्हणजे तुम्हाला इलिजिबिलिटीला कुठेही प्रॉब्लेम येणार नाही कोणत्याच कंपनीला. ओके, then your presentation skill. Okay, again important part is the your body language, your presentation skill. It is again most important part. Okay, because when you are going to join the corporate life or in a company, there are a lot of presentations and you should have a good presentation. Okay, that skill you need to improve if you are lagging. Okay, then your personality, your attitude, you should have a positive attitude. Okay, you should have a good personality. You have to maintain your personality since in a student phase. Okay, because what happens in student phase, if you get trained of this personality, aptitude, presentation skill, then it will be more easy to work in a corporate life. Okay, so that's why this 4 years, this student life is most important. Whatever the practice you will do in the student phase, that you can continue. So that you should be sincere, you should be disciplined. Okay, you should have a good presentation skill, you should have a good communication skill, you should have a good personality, good attitude, positive attitude. So all these things you need to get practice in a student life, so that what will happen once you will reach to the corporate life, there is no need to do something new. Okay, because you have already that thing in a student life, right? Are you getting my point? So just थिंक ऑफ इट. ओके, ह्या ज्या काही गोष्टी आहेत त्या आतापासूनच स्टुडंट फेज मध्ये थोडंसं हे करून घ्या, सो दॅट तुम्हाला पुढे कुठे प्रॉब्लेम येणार नाही. ओके, सो दॅट इन कॉर्पोरेट लाईफ देर इज नो नीड टू स्ट्रगल फॉर इट. ओके, then aptitude skills, already I have told you that you should learn the aptitude skills. Then availability of infrastructure. Yes, availability of infrastructure is what right now all the things in online mode. So I will suggest you to purchase a new laptop. Okay, with internet connectivity you may have, but the laptop is right now is the most important thing, because lot of things you can do very easily in a laptop without don't go for the mobile. All things you can't do in a mobile. So right now, just after 2 to 3 months, right now you have paid the fees and all that thing, you may have a financial, but after 1 or 2 months you should get a laptop. That is good. Infrastructure is also most important, because lot of companies, the tests are only you can run in a laptop, you can't give it in a mobile. Okay, so that infrastructure is also most important. And interdisciplinary knowledge. Okay, right, that is again most important. I have already told you, the core brand students should learn the programming language, they should learn the electronics parts also. right? The mechatronics, okay, means I am a mechanical or I am a civil. Why I should go for the electronics or programming? So it is not like that. You should have the interdisciplinary knowledge, okay? You should have all over knowledge of, as you are being an engineer, you should have overall knowledge, okay? You can't say I don't know about electronics, I don't know about programming language, okay? So you should take that interdisciplinary knowledge, okay, so that it will be more beneficial you in the future, okay? You should have a self-belief, you should have a confidence, okay? You should have a good attitude, good presentation skill, okay? Then this is most important point, that is you should have interest or zeal to learn the new technology. Yes, the every company require a guy which is ready to learn the new technology. They are finding the candidate like if he's having any enthusiastic or is he having any zeal or interest to learn the new technology, because now day to day in a day-to-day life the new technology is coming. If you purchase one mobile today, maybe tomorrow the different mobile will come with different technology, means the today you will purchase it will get outdated tomorrow, right? So that's why you should have that eagerness, you should have that interest or zeal to learn the technology, because day by day the technology is going to be changed. You should to interest, you have to show your enthusiasm, you have to show your zeal. At the time of interview, the interviewer also going to check whether you have a interest or zeal to learn the new technology. So this is most important point. Then hard work, yes, without hard work you can't achieve anything. Sometimes you don't have that much, or few students they don't have that much clever, but with the hard work they can achieve, or they can achieve their success, or they can achieve their goal. So hard work is also most important, and you can also enhance your skills by just taking the hard work also, okay? And the time management, yes, the time management is also most important. You have to balance your academics, you have to prepare for the technical skills, you have to prepare for the, or you have to do the internship, you have to learn the new technology, you have to learn the new courses. Means the balance is also most important. You can't just म्हणजे फक्त तुम्ही अकॅडमिक्सच नाही तर किंवा अकॅडमीकडे दुर्लक्ष पण करू शकत नाही. यू शुड हॅव ऑल द things, means you should do the parallel task, okay? So that's why time management is also most important, and ability to digest failures, yes, that is again most important. एखाद्या वेळेस सगळ्यांना सगळ्या गोष्टी सक्सेस मिळेल असं नाही. Sometimes you are going to fail and you need to have that ability to digest a failure. Sometimes in one company you may not get placed, but there should not miss sometimes you may come failure, but you should have that ability to digest it. There are a lot of opportunity. एकदा फेल्युअर झालं म्हणजे काही दुसऱ्या वेळेस पण आपण फेल होणार आहे? नो. You do once again do the hard work and you can prepare for the next. That ability you should have, okay? And if you put the sincere efforts, all these points if you inculcate in your self career, and if you put your sincere effort, and definitely you will get the job, and that is nothing but the success of the student, I will say, okay? Because ultimate aim is to get the job after these 4 years, and once you will get that your dream job, so I will say you have put your sincere efforts, you get a job, and I will say it's your success of your parents, you, and it is success of our teachers also, that we will get that much proud. Yes, my student get job of 5 lakh 6 lakh in a company. So that will be the proud moment for all of us, right? So I think I will stop here. I have taken too much time, I think. Yes, it's a 10:30. Yes, thank you. Thanks a lot for kindly listening my session. Yes, thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Yes,
you, sir.
thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I would like to express our sincere thanks to Kumbar sir for providing us an encouraging speech to the students and valuable information shared with us. Thank you, sir.
yes, thanks a lot, madam.